Welcome back to KRUD News.
Our top story tonight is the Macomb County incident that resulted in the death of Mr. Robert Ewell.
If you remember last week's report about the Robinson versus Ewell trial, we sent our top correspondent, Jack Jepalahuza Tango Mojo Jojo, to interview Mr. Ewell.
Hi, I'm Jack Jepalahuza Tango Mojo Jojo, and I'm here with...
Get out of my house!
Bob Ewell! Bob, what happened that night that Mayella was raped?
Well, I was out chopping me some wood when I hear some yells yonder from the house. So I runs on in, and through the window I see that Negro groping my daughter. So I runs in, but he's too quick, and he gets away.
Can I ask you another question? How do you feel about all of this?
I feel downright disgruntled.
What are you going to do about Mr. Robinson?
What am I going to do? I'm going to kill him! Ah!
As you can see, Mr. Ewell wasn't very pleased with the raping of his daughter Mayella.
He did get justice, however, as Tom Robinson was sentenced to death for his crimes. Here's the footage.
We find the defendant, Tom Robinson, guilty.
Oh. Even though Mr. Robinson was convicted, Mr. Ewell was not satisfied. He decided to take his revenge on the children of Mr. Atticus Finch, Tom Robinson's lawyer.
You will now view exclusive footage of Bob moments before his death, submitted by one of our viewers, Anonymous.
Blood!
Luckily, no one was fatally injured, except Mr. Ewell, who was fatally killed.
In other news, Miss Molly's house burned down today. The cause of the fire remains unknown. Here is the footage.
Well, here is the real footage. And now we'd like to bring you KRUD's news, Mystery of the Week.
This week's topic, Boo Radley. There are many rumors surrounding the mystery of Boo Radley. One of these rumors is the incident where he allegedly stabbed his father, as seen in this next scene.
Who is this enigma of a man, Mr. Boo Radley? Well, his true identity is... Oh, that means we have to cut to a commercial break, so here's a word from our sponsors.
Yogurt. There are so many more uses than just for eating, such as a paperweight. You can use it to play football with. Or you can use it as a lotion. You can use it as shaving cream. Yogurt. It is so thick and creamy that you can even wear the plastic container as a hat. Or you can use it as hair gel. Yum, yum, yum.
Yogurt. Is there anything you can't do with it? And now, finally, we leave you with this scene of the Macomb County Children's Halloween pageant.